IP University admission process has kick-started with the online counseling schedule that has been announced by the university. So hello everybody, welcome back to Kingdom of Learning. So in this video we are going to discuss about the online counseling schedule that has been announced before the results. So watch the video till last and don't skip it in between, because here I'm going to provide you all the important information related to this counseling schedule. So first of all, you can see here that this counseling schedule is going to start from 25th of September from 1 p.m. So this online counseling will be for those candidates who have already filled online application form and paid the fee of rupees 1200, and subsequently you have appeared for your CET, and if you have already done that, then you have to appear for this online counseling schedule from 25th of September. So this is a big thing here. It means that the results are just around the corner. So here now on the next page, the university has mentioned about OBC reservation. So they have said that the OBC reservation will be only for undergraduate level, and that too 27% reservation will be there. But they have made it clear that reservation in OBC category will not be applicable at master's level and postgraduate courses. So this thing you should keep in mind. So now it is the online registration process. How you have to do this registration? First of all, you have to enter the application sequence number and you have to fill all your details like your DOB and everything. Then you have to sign in with using your application number or application sequence number. So after successful login, you have to do multi-step application form submission. Means after submission of registration form, you will have to log in to complete the remaining activities, and then your uploading of documents will be there. Means your next step will be that you will have to upload your scanned images of required documents as per the predefined size and format. Means you should keep all these things ready with you when you are filling this form. So now we will see how to do this registration fee payment. So you will have to pay the registration fee online using EPG services after uploading of documents, and then you will have to verify your email and mobile number. This is optional, this is not compulsory. And then if you want, you will have to remember your password because it will be useful for you in future. And if you want, you can change your password later on also. So now we have to see submission of counseling participation fee. So if you have already paid 1200, now you have to again pay rupees 1000, and it is a one-time non-refundable payment. So you have to mind it that this counseling fee will not be refunded back to you. So for depositing the counseling participation fee, the candidate has to visit the university website. So after the registration, you will be allowed to appear for the counseling. So now here we can see that those who want to participate in online counseling process, they have to visit the university website. So means website, it is important for all of you to check the university website, and you have to check all the details carefully. Otherwise I have uploaded all the information here, but still if you want that something is left, you can check the website, or you can read these screenshots which I have uploaded here in this video carefully. So in this way I think you will be able to understand everything related to this counseling process. So here I want to add one more thing, that if the counseling is going to start from 25th of September, it means the result must be announced before that. So we had guessed, or we can say we had come to know that the results are going to be announced on 21st or 22nd. So I think now they may be released very soon. So thank you everybody. Share this video with others also, and subscribe to the channel if you are new to it, and don't forget to like the video.